Alright, just a quick review on this battery. It's for my XPS 13 made by Dell, and it's basically the battery's dying, so I wanted to get it replaced. Once it's installed, take a nice picture, but the other thing is you get this nice aluminum screwdriver. I think I was more excited getting this than the battery itself, but yeah, seems like OEM quality. I used to install batteries in broken screens all the time, so I mean, there's nothing that seems to be questionable. I mean, the wires and everything looks to be made of quality, so yeah, check it out.